Hey, welcome to the part 2 of the video series on angles. So now we know what an angle is, what is a vertex of a given angle, and what are the arms and the sides of a given angle. And if you remember, in that part 1 video we discussed that we can write any angle simply using its vertex, but we said that it's not a good idea, and I didn't discuss it why. So this video is about that why we should not represent any angle using only its vertex. So I'll explain you here why we should not use it, and the reason is that it can create confusion. Often it creates confusion. Why? So let's assume that we have three rays. So let's assume that we have this. Okay, so we have these two rays. This is O, this is A, and this is B. And let's say that we have another ray, and that is C. So OA, OB, and OC. Let's take one more figure, and let's say that it's something like this. Sorry, it's not in a line. Okay, so it's O, it's A, it's B, and it's C. Now let's suppose that, or I should simply write it B, and let's say this is C. So what I have done is I have taken a third ray, OC. Like here we had OA and OB. I have taken here, in this case I have taken this third ray, OC. So now if you will write that, if someone asks you that what is this angle, if you say this is angle O, then it will create confusion in both these two cases. If you write simply angle O, why? Now see that you have three rays here, and therefore you will have three angles. How? This will be the first angle, this will. So this will be angle AOB. This will be another angle between this ray and this ray. This will be angle BOC, and we'll have another angle, that is this angle between this ray and this ray. So this will be angle AOC. Similarly, in this case, if you take OA and OC, you will have this angle, and therefore this angle will be AOC. If you take these two rays, OC and OB, this will be angle COB. And if you take this angle, that is between OA and OB, this will be angle AOB. Now if you would have written only angle O, then someone may ask you that, hey, which angle you're actually talking about, because you have angle AOB, you have angle BOC, we have angle AOC. Similarly here, so which exact angle are you talking about? And that's what our point is, that if you will represent an angle using only vertex, it will create confusion, and that's not actually correct. So always avoid using representing angle using only vertex. Okay, it's always a good way to use 3 points, like using the two rays or the two lines or the two line segments, whatever is given to you. Okay, represent them completely with 3 points, like A, O, B. We have 3 points, and you use that. Okay, so this video is about that only, that why you shouldn't write, represent any angle using its vertex only. In the next video, that is part 3 of this series, we will discuss that how you will find or write the angle in a given polygon. Like if you have angle between these two rays, you can have angle between two lines and two line segments, and that's why you'll have angle. You'll have some angles in a given polygon also. So the next video will be about that.